What's up guys, it's your favourite girl Gabriella Ryan here from KarmaLifestyles.com. Thank you so much for joining me. Now, Annabella recently did a piece on becoming the man women pursue, and messages have been flooding our inbox. Most men wanted to know why women they like are not chasing them. Today's video is dedicated to all guys who want to know how to improve their game and make women pursue them. In this video, I will look at why a woman you like is not chasing you. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel if you're joining us for the first time and turn on your notifications. We have so many exciting videos coming your way. Now, most women prefer giving subtle cues to make the man chase them. Chasing men is not in a woman's comfort zone. But when a woman meets a guy that ticks all the boxes, they will not want to lose them. So, most women chase guys they are strongly attracted to. It's the intensity of the attraction that will push her to take the risk of pursuing a man. Let's look at some tips on why a woman isn't chasing you. Tip 1. You are chasing too much. One of the things that might make her not chase you is you are already doing the chasing. It's a familiar concept that I come across with most men that I coach. Guys tend to make themselves visible to girls that they like to get chased. However, it will not work because the woman already feels like you are being too available and visible and that you're chasing after her. That makes you look like the rest of the guys that pursue her. A guy's uniqueness can make a woman chase after him. However, that will not be the case if she feels you are chasing too hard from your end. If you want a woman to chase you, stop pursuing her. Stop wondering why she's not chasing you because it will inspire you to do something that will make her not chase you. Make your intentions clear, then start pulling back slowly. Tip 2. You pull back fast. That brings us to our next reason that a woman isn't chasing you, and it's because you pulled back too fast. The best technique to make a woman chase you is to chase after her and then start pulling back to inspire curiosity and interest. But how we pull back has to send non-verbal cues of interest. When you pull back too fast, it communicates a lack of interest. Most guys pull back too quickly, then wonder why she's not chasing. Women are very cautious about where they invest their emotions, and when she feels that you are no longer interested in her, she will not chase. Tip 3. Your energy is not inspiring. Tip number 3 is your energy is not inspiring her. Remember that women are attracted more to men because of how they make them feel. That makes the energy you emit a crucial aspect to consider when you want women to chase you. Most women look at a guy's purpose, and that will give them a deep insight into the guy's personality and energy. It's easy for a woman to connect with a guy that has purpose. Sometimes guys adjust themselves to fit in the girl's picture, but that rarely works. Start working on yourself if you want her to chase you. You'll become more attractive, and if she feels like she needs you, not the other way round. Tip 4. You're predictable. Tip number 4 is that you're too predictable. Guys like chasing women because of the thrill that comes with it. Women also enjoy the thrill when they're chasing a guy. When you are predictable, there's nothing to feed her curiosity and interest in you. Also, most of the predictable guys have low confidence levels and enthusiasm. The low confidence comes with people being able to understand you and start managing you. Build a personality that will make a woman perceive you like a labyrinth. The more mysterious you are to a woman, the more attractive you become. You can overcome being predictable by becoming more spontaneous and adventurous. A woman might not chase you for many reasons, and the tough one to accept is maybe she isn't interested in you or as interested in you as you may think. Try and understand why she's not chasing you, because that can give you closure and help you move on. Also, if she's not chasing you, you can always try and chase her, but if she's not feeling it, let her go. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our services, ebooks and online programs at KarmaLifestyles.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm Gabriella Ryan, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!